back again, another Animoji unboxing. So this one is actually much times longer than the previous video, even though this is actually the only video that I basically able to record yesterday in the place that I want to focus on personal productivity things. So the previous video is less than a minute and this one is almost 4 minutes. So besides, I just don't know what else that I basically want to talk about, because actually I have so many things that I want to talk about when I was in the toilet, perhaps, when I basically have so many inspiration for some reason in the pretty small rooms. Maybe because the brainwave are just easy to be returned back, perhaps, even though it's definitely not like a fictional movies where the brainwave of mutants perhaps can basically control other people's or even manipulate things, like when it's called telekinetics. So yeah, maybe the most simple things are just reading other people's mind, even though yeah, that's still pretty hard things to do, because for some reason if you basically don't have those gifts, perhaps you basically need to connect into spiritual beings, perhaps, I'm not sure. But it's definitely a lot of practice as well if you basically have those kind of miracles or unique talents. But yeah, for some reason when I basically want to talk about the things that I used to think about, I just suddenly forgot about it. Maybe because I basically wanted to do it on the native language instead of English like this. Because yeah, I basically wanted to utilize to shoot my first channel in the short video platform, perhaps. Even though the username is actually still on English, but if I'm not mistaken, all of the content was in Indonesian language, just for the sake of the SEO algorithm, perhaps. Even though yeah, there's only several videos inside it, it's less than 5, and all of them are just kind of like didn't have any attention at all, so the view is much bigger than YouTube, obviously, but yeah, it's still just pretty much like a default view from the SEO algorithm, perhaps, that didn't attract any kind of viewers at all. Maybe because yeah, if I basically try to see the content, it's just so bad, it's just so unknown, and it's not really eye-catching at all. So